English conversation. Introducing self. Conversation 1.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you, madam. Let me introduce myself. I'm John.
It's pleasure to meet you here. I'm Jennifer, Dean of the English Department.
Conversation 2.
Hello, I'm Linda. I'm a second-year student.
I'm very pleased to make your acquaintances.
What is your major?
My major is English. And you?
I major in history. I'm a second-year student too.
Conversation 3.
Please briefly introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is David. I was born in 1984 in San Francisco. I graduated from Stanford University. My major was economics. I am still single. I worked for a trading company before.
Could you tell us something more about your family?
Yes, I have parents and a brother. My father works for a garment company, and my mother is a doctor, and my brother is an engineer.
Do you have any special hobbies?
I have many hobbies, such as swimming, reading, playing football, etc.
Common English sentence patterns. Listen and repeat the following common English sentence patterns. For each sentence, you have 5 seconds to repeat. Hello, my name is Michael. My surname is Cruz, and my first name is Tom. May I introduce myself? I'm Jessica. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Daniel. Let me introduce myself, by the way. I was born in 1984 in Los Angeles. I'm from California. I'm Susan. I'm a second-year student. I'm David. I'm 45 years old. I'm William, Dean of the English Department. I'm Matthew, Director of NYC Shoes Company. I work in Google Company. I'm very pleased to make your acquaintances. Please briefly introduce yourself. Please introduce something about yourself.
Okay, that is the end of our video. Please watch the video many times until you can speak quickly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.